Press this icon to enter the time settings parameters. Mixing time indicates how long you want to allow the materials in mixer for mixing before discharging. Enter the time for changing star to delta connection on mixer motor winding through the contactor. Enter the ideal time for reaching mixer gate close to open position. If this time exceeds, then the error will shown in error window as mixer gate open problem. Enter the ideal time for reaching mixer gate open to close position. If this time exceeds, then the error will shown in error window as mixer gate close problem. Enter the mixer discharge time, how long you want to keep mixer gate in open position for discharging materials. Enter mixer partial open time, how long you want to keep the mixer gate open in half position. Enter the skip discharge time, once skip bucket reaches top position. Through this time you can make how long skip bucket to stay in top position to discharge all materials in that bucket to mixer. Enter the ideal time required for skip bucket for reaching bottom to top position. If this time exceeds, the error will shown in the error window as skip top movement problem. Enter the ideal time required for skip bucket for reaching bottom to weight position. If this time exceeds, the error will shown in the error window as skip top movement problem. Enter the ideal time required for skip bucket to change the motor speed when bucket reaches from bottom to speed changing position. Enter the ideal time required for skip bucket for reaching top to bottom position. If this time exceeds, the error will shown in the error window as skip down movement problem. Enter the ideal time required for horizontal conveyor to discharge all the materials in it. If the time exceeds, then an error will shown in the error window as horizontal conveyor discharge problem. Enter the time for how long aggregate bin gate to be in open position during the material discharging of that bin. For example, the set value of the aggregate bin is 100 kilograms, and I give jog as 50%. Then during discharging, when the fallen value reaches 50% of its set value, then jog operation come into picture. So in this example, when fallen value reaches 50 kilograms, then jog operation of the gate will start. Similarly, set the gate opening time and jog percentage for the rest of the aggregate bins. Enter the time to keep aggregate bin gate to be in close position during discharge operation. It makes the interval time between consecutive gate open operation in the same bin. It allows fallen materials in horizontal conveyor to get some rest, and weighing measurement will have high accuracy. Similarly, center gate close time for rest of the aggregate bins. During rainy season, the sand and gravel will contains a lot of water in form of moisture. During concrete making, this water will reduce the strength of the concrete. To overcome this issue, we use this moisture value. Enter the moisture value for the aggregate bins. The value you entered will reduce the set value of water. For example, the water set value is 200 kilograms. Due to moisture content in the sand, I entered moisture value as 10%, then the set value of water becomes 180 kilograms. It is done automatically by our software. Similarly, enter the moisture value for the rest of the aggregate bins. After changing all parameters, press Save button. In case, if it is summer season, the sands are too porous and gravels are so hot. During concrete mixing, more water will absorb by the sand and gravel. So the result of concrete quality is poor and concrete is dry. To overcome this issue, the absorbed percentage value is given. It will add some value in the water set value. For example, the water set value is 200 kilograms. In this video I set absorbed percent value is 10, then the water set value will become 220 kilograms. Similarly, set absorbed value for the rest of the aggregate bins. Ensure moisture value of all aggregate bins is 0 during summer season and absorb value of all aggregate bins is 0 during rainy season. Press the Save button. After changing all parameters,